There is a lot of Diwali excitement as well as there's a lot of weddings. In summer there were no weddings and now we are seeing a lot of weddings which is going to come over the next 4 months. So we are seeing an exciting times. Let's see how the market pans out. Because for almost 12 months have not been so great for the retail market, but we believe that next few months should be doing very well.
Can I say last year the season was bunched up. Diwali Dashera came very close. This time there's a distinct shift. Dashera in October, Diwali end of October and then Christmas after that. So will that change the consumer pattern?
Not really, because you see Dashera and Diwali always used to be a 20-day gap. But at the end of the day, what is more important is that this time around, as I said, wedding, there's going to be significant number of weddings. And then what we are expecting also is that the NRIs are going to come back very strongly for the wedding season, which is happening in December. And then immediately from 15th of January onwards, you see again a wedding season. So we are seeing the next 6 months should have a very good traction in terms of all the lifestyle purchases.
You know, Raymond is a brand which we can associate with. There's an emotional cord with it. There is a legacy, connection with Raymond. What are you doing distinctively to ensure that the brand grows and the moat around your business does not get diluted in today's competitive environment?
No, absolutely. I think what it stands for is the trust, excellence, and I think that is something which we are not going to compromise.
Raymond on a combined basis in last 4 years, ever since there has been a complete change in terms of the professional management, they've really created a lot of shareholder value. The stock is up about 15 to 18 times in last 4 years. What is next for the shareholder? What should they expect? Bulk of the restructuring is over, but bulk of the excitement, is that over now?
Not really. I think I would say it is a beginning because 2 or 3 things big. First, what we wanted to give a pure play, independent, net debt free businesses. So now the group will have 3 net debt free pure play listed businesses: lifestyle, engineering and real estate. And I think there are clearly focused management, professional board which we have created, which will enable the drive the growth. And each business has a significant growth potential. And therefore I think all the businesses can continue to grow. And what you said about the past, that the increase in the shareholder value, I think we are very destined, clearly focused on creating shareholder value, and we will continue to work. And I think the investors will realize it sooner or later. They have realized it and they will continue to get the benefit of it.
So I'll wrap it up with one final question. I will quote Professor Ashwath Damodaran. He says that every company goes through a life cycle. Young startup, mature, and then they tend to peak out. Raymond is an old company. But can I say that all your businesses are still very young, the 3 businesses you mentioned?
Yeah, absolutely. And I think that is the energy which we have provided to each of the business by saying you continue to evolve, create and catch the trend. And I think that is what is happening. If you see in the lifestyle business, which is a 100-year-old business, we have got a very clear philosophy that whatever is a trend of the market, you need to catch that. And कहते हैं ना, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. We are expanding 900 stores over the next 3 years. So every single city of this country will have a store.
So you are in a high growth zone in Raymond's.
Absolutely. Similarly on the real estate, we have signed 5 JDAs. We have got 35,000 crore of project and which will continue to grow. So it will be a 4-5,000 crore every year a revenue company. Engineering, we say we will double the business in the next 4 years.
So what is good for India, Raymond is already there.
Yeah, we have to be participating in this journey and that is what we are looking for.
Before I wrap, I just want to bring this point for the benefit of our viewers. I'll go on record and say that in my history as a market commentator for 20 years, seldom I've seen companies which are old legacy companies turn around so brilliantly in a matter of 4 years. Many say that you've been the architect for it. So congratulations on the great work you've done for shareholder unlocking value.
Thank you very much. And really, when I joined in 2020, we created a 7-year roadmap, which was very clear, and we are following that one after the other action. So 4 years have been done, 3 years still to go.
So the best is yet to come.
Yes, it's yet to come. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.